All right, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Swamp Outdoors. All right, folks. I'm just going through the vehicle, cleaning everything, double checking my stuff, making sure everything's good. Stuff that I keep in this green box. Everything will fit but the gas can, the water container, and the air tank. I just wanted to go over this stuff real quick, give y'all an idea on stuff that you can keep in your vehicle or any kind of situation that would happen. You're pretty much under control. The only thing I didn't put in this video was my spare tire. So I'm not sure everybody has one of those. If you don't, make sure you have a spare tire. All right, so I'll start with the box. I just got a simple box here. I don't know, it's probably 3 foot long, a foot high. It'll hold everything if it rains on it, and I put it out here in the weather to make sure, and it stays in the back of my truck. So rain won't affect it none. Everything will stay dry that's inside. So a gas can. Having a gas can is good. Obviously, you run out of gas, you can go get you some gas. Wouldn't be a good idea to keep gas in there, especially if you have an enclosed vehicle. But a gas can is great to have on hand. Another thing is a container with water. Put you some water in there, even drinkable water, so that way if you need liquids, you can have some water. Or if something happens in a radiator and you have a leak or something like that, you can also put it inside the vehicle. Another thing is a small air tank. If you can get yourself a small air tank with a small hose, if you get a flat on the side of the road, get you a repair kit. So as you can see, I've already had to use it a couple times too. And have those two together, you can fix your own tire on the side of the road, as long as it's not sidewall damage of the tire or something like that. But another thing is a tarp. Have you some kind of cover. If you got to cover something up in the back, you need to cover yourself up, whatever it may be, a tarp is always good to have on hand. Some cordage to go with it. Got some good thick rope, probably, I don't know, 40, 50 feet long. Tie stuff down. You can pull out a small vehicle with it if need be. So get yourself a real good rope. Next is a pair of gloves. Got my first aid kit over here. Have yourself a good pair of gloves. You know, changing a tire or something like that, whatever it may be. Gloves are always another great thing to have on hand. A first aid kit. I've got my own that I've made for right now. So anything that works, I guess, or tourniquet and stuff in there, basic medical needs. So have yourself a first aid kit that you can keep in your vehicle, whether you make your own or you buy one. If you would like to have a medical kit to look into to buy, check out bearindependent.com with Refuge Medical. They make the best medical kits on the face of the earth. Another thing is have you a toolbox with all your basic stuff in it, folks. Wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, etc. Just basic common tools that you can kind of DIY or repair on the side of the road if need be. Another thing is a shovel. You get stuck or something like that, winter, mud, sand, it doesn't matter. Have a good shovel, put you a small handle on there or something. Another thing is I keep a four-way. Keep a four-way in there. Obviously they've got all kinds of different look patterns. And then it's like a pry bar with an end on it. So you can take your tire off. A tire rod, I guess. Well, I hope this video is informative. Maybe give you all some ideas on what you can do to keep in your vehicle. And then I'll put all this stuff back in here, except for those couple things, and show you how it all fits in there. It don't take up very much room at all. So hit that thumbs up, and drop a comment, and subscribe, folks. Subscribe for more real outdoors. And be ready for anything wild. Alright, folks. And there it is. And one more thing that I forgot to add to the video, it was sitting off behind me, was a good floor jack. Obviously if you've got a bigger vehicle, get you one that's a little bit taller, a taller floor jack. Or if you have a smaller vehicle, get you like a smaller racing floor jack. So that way you can change your tire and stuff. But everything's put up. That's How much room it takes up? Not very much. Maybe a 3x3 area. So you can put all that stuff in the back of a vehicle and have pretty much everything you need. All right, folks. Take care. God bless. Shalom.